Don't be a parrot in life. Be an eagle. A parrot talks too much but never flies high. An eagle stays silent but its strength takes it far. In life, talking too much doesn't get you anywhere. A parrot makes noise, but it stays stuck in the same place. It looks colorful but it has no freedom. An eagle doesn't waste time showing off. It moves quietly, focusing on its goals. It flies alone, faces storms, and never gives up. Life will throw challenges at you. People will talk, judge, and try to hold you back. Don't be like the parrot. Don't waste time proving yourself with words. Be the eagle. Stay strong. Keep moving. Let your actions speak louder. Even when it's hard, even when it hurts, rise above it. Show the world your strength not by talking but by doing. The eagle doesn't stop when the sky gets dark. It doesn't quit when the wind gets strong. It flies higher because it knows it was born for this. Be fearless. Be focused. Be unstoppable. Be the eagle.